Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sequential message dialog boxes in Java using JOption pane from the Swing library. This simple program displays multiple message dialogues one by one, creating a storytelling effect. We'll also use JFrame to keep the dialogues always on top and UI Manager to customize the button focus. If you are a beginner learning Java, GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. This tutorial will help you understand how message dialog works step by step. Let's get started. So first, syempre gagawa muna tayo ng file name. Ito ulit yung ginawa kong program, so wag nyo i-encode itong mga naka-gray words. Lahat yan ay inlay hints parameter names. So, anong ibig sabihin nila? Label lang yan sila para malaman natin kung anong laman ng value. Hindi sila part ng code na to, hindi sila kailangan para gumana yung program. Lalabas lang yan sila kapag nabuo na natin yung program. So, bago natin i-run to, punta kayo sa extension, make sure nyo na naka-install na yung Code Runner and extension pack for Java. Kailangan nyo to panoorin itong video kasi kailangan nyo to ma-set up bago kayo gumawa nitong program. Kapag lumabas to, i-install nyo lang yan kasi kasama to sa pagsiset up ng Java. So, itry na natin i-run itong program. I hope you learned something from my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.